Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today, as I said in the reveal video, I had some bits in the boot which I have down here, which was eyebrows, mirror caps and the TRC chin lip, and I've also got a airtec clubsport front splitter to fit as well. I'll show you guys that now. Brand new, the clubsport one, like I said. Comes with fixing kit as well. I'm not sure where Ben's put that, but yeah, it looks pretty good. Definitely different to what most people have as well. Right, so as you can see, we've got it all out now. The mirror caps, chin lip and the eyebrows, and then the splitter's just over there. So we're going to get on to fitting it all now. Right, so we're drilling this in now. Well, putting some self-tappers in it. Just two of them on either side of it. So that's one of them on. Pretty easy to go back on, just push them back on, then I just clip back in. Now just take that one off. The splitter out of the packaging, it is pretty big, but they do look awesome when on. Applying the first eyebrow. Now,
Ben, do you want to come here to help me stick it on this side?
That's alright. I'll show you how it looks from the other angle.
Pressure when doing this.
Right, here's a splitter held in position.
How far back
Ben,
are you at?
Now we're just bolting it in now.
Get out.
You want to do the middle first?
No, you don't. You want to work from that corner. You want to get that corner in. Then you want to get that corner in. Then the middle will line itself up because the
I'll
sides
get
are in.
over there to that corner.
Right, so the splitter is on, but only with 3 bolts. So we're going to put the rest of the bolts on and then lower the car down. I'll show you guys how it looks, but it looks pretty chunky at the moment. Right, so here's a splitter on the car. It is a fat, big boy, but it does look awesome. Just need the roof wrap now, to be honest. So as you can see, it's quite a bit later now, but the splitter, eyebrows, gloss black mirror caps and the TRC chin lip are now all on the car, and it looks pretty insane now. I still need to take these off because fuck knows who put these on, but these are fucking massive, and also this is coming off as well. Yeah, I've just cleaned the car as well, so that looks spot on. Yeah, that's it for now. I should have some new parts coming this week, so there will be another video on that. So yeah, watch out for that. Remember to like and subscribe, and cheers for watching.